So next, let's see how to use SPI. Here, we use a 6-axis IMU module from DF Robot to detect the acceleration along the X, Y, and Z axes. Then, save the data on a micro SD card and display the acceleration on an LCD screen. We'll choose the DF Robot Firebeetle ESP32E as the main controller in this project. Since a high data refresh rate is required here, all devices will be connected by SPI interfaces to ensure everything goes well. And the data of the 3 axes will be saved onto the micro SD card and displayed on LCD in real time. Well, the recorder is done. Let's record motions with it.